Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and welcome to Dev Talks. This is Adi Achin. Drones, drones, drones. Everybody is talking about drones. There are so many companies in India who are making such fantastic, fantastic systems. I have someone with me, Mr. Sai Pattabiram, sir. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
He's the managing director of Zuppa Geo-Navigational Technologies. And when sir is talking, I will also show you his website on the side. They're doing some fantastic stuff. Autopilot drones, GPS denied environment, and of course, need I say more about Operation Sindoor? Sir, welcome to the show.
Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure to be here, Adi.
So, how did you come up with this, sir?
Well, we've been working on this for quite some time now, and in fact, we applied for the patent of the for our autopilot way back in 2015. Of course, it took about 9 years for it to get granted, and from that time onwards, we've been making the autopilot, and we've been working on technologies that are primarily related to geo-navigation, whether it be tracking systems, GPS-based tracking system, or autopilot for drones, or GPS-denied environments, or so on.